Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make a very simple chana masala recipe using red chanas. So let's get started. So for this recipe I've taken 1.5 cup of red chana dal which I've soaked overnight in the water, and now I'll transfer this into a pressure cooker. Add around 1 teaspoon of salt and pressure cook this until 5 whistles. Alright, so it's been 5 whistles. Now I'll keep this aside to cool down and we'll start with the cooking process. In a pot, I'll be heating around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll be adding in 2 cloves, cinnamon stick 1 inch, 5 peppercorns, 1 black elaichi, 1 star anise, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then I'll be adding in 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Now we need to turn this onion golden brown. So I'll fry this on low flame until it turns golden brown. And while frying, just make sure that you keep stirring this so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay, that's it. So the onions have got brown. Okay, here I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And I'll also be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of Hing. Okay, as you can see, the onion and the ginger garlic paste have turned brown. And now I'll be adding in 2 cups of tomato puree. So this is a tomato puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And now we'll just let this cook for around 30 seconds to a minute on low flame, and then we will start adding the spices. I'll just cover this with the lid. It's been around a minute. I'll just open this. Okay. The reason why I just let it cook for around 30 seconds to a minute because I need the raw smell of the tomato puree to go. Okay, now we will add the dry spices. So just the basic dry spices that I'll be adding in, that is half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and I'll add in 1.5 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Just give it a mix. Okay, now here I'll also be adding in around half teaspoon of amchur powder, that is mango powder. I added around half cup of water in this blender, and I'll add the same water in this, and I'll also be adding half teaspoon of salt. So I've added 1 teaspoon of salt in the pressure cooker where I was boiling the chana. So I just added half teaspoon here, and later if required we will balance it. I'll just cover this with a lid and let it cook for a while, for around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's check. Okay, as you can see, the oil started separating. And here I'll be adding in a spoonful of grams, the chana, in this, and I will smash it. So I'll just roughly smash it, okay. And now I will transfer the rest of the chana into this. And now we will let this simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Here I'll also be adding in fresh coriander leaves and some kasuri methi. give it a mix. And I'll close it with a lid and let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes more. Now the flame is on medium low, okay, so I'll let it simmer nicely for around 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes now. Let's just check. Wow, this looks amazing. Can you look at the oil floating up? This is the stage when you know that it's cooked perfectly. Okay, look at this. Okay, that's it. Close the lid and put the flame off and let it sit for around 5 minutes, and then you can serve it hot. Alright guys, that's about it. It was that simple to make this recipe. Let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like the video. And please do share this video with your friends and family who love to cook. Until then, my name is Stan. See you next time in the next video with a new recipe. Bye bye.